There are many stories of the great heroes of Waziristan who fought the wars against British Raj. Among those was Haji Mirza Ali Khan, famously known as the Fakir of AP. Mirza Ali Khan was born in 1897 in Chankai Kerta, which is located near the Khajpuri post in North Waziristan Agency. He was a prominent Pashtun leader who fought the wars against British. His father was a religious man named Arsalan Khan. He first went to religious schools on the British side of the border, and eventually to a place near Jalalabad, where he became a murid of the Naqib of Chahar at the time of the most famous and influential religious leader in Afghanistan. In 1923, Mirza Ali Khan performed Hajj in Makkah and thereafter settled down in the village of AP, situated near the British military road connecting Bannu and Razmak. He was also famous by the name of Haji Sahib among the local people. In 1936, a Hindu girl, namely Ram Kauri from the village of Chandu Khail, Bannu, fell in love with one Amir Nur Ali Shah, also known as Amir Nur, a Sayyid from the same village. One day, Ram Kauri eloped with Amir Nur Ali Shah to the village of Puk Ismail Khail, Surani, and took shelter at the house of Nur Ali Shah's maternal uncle. They went to the village mosque, and she embraced Islam at the hands of Maulvi Sakhi Deen Shah. The girl converted to Islam and changed her name to Islam Bibi. Islam Bibi's mother approached the court and pled that her daughter was a minor and had been abducted. In this regard, the local police arrested Nur Ali and the court sentenced him 2 years of imprisonment. The court also handed over the Muslim converted girl to the Hindu family. The tribes protested over this handing. On April 14, 1936, a jirga held near Mir Ali declared jihad against the British. Haji Sahib travelled to South Waziristan Agency, where he got the support of Mahsood tribesmen. He appointed Meher Dil Khan Mahsood as the commander-in-chief, who later led the mission against British. The family of the boy started negotiation with the family of the girl, but could not reach a conclusion. After hearing the decision of the court, the girl was handed over to the Bannu police, and then the police handed her over to the mother. In large numbers, about 2,000, Muslims gathered in front of the Deputy Commissioner of Bannu and chanted the slogan against the government and the Britishers. Local people under the leadership of AP decided to get back the girl and take revenge from the government. The tribesmen demanded that the court decision is against Islam and our culture and tradition Pashtun Wali. Revenge, or badal, is the main component of the Pashtun way of life for centuries, Pashtun Wali. The enraged tribesmen mustered 2 large lashkars of 10,000 strength and battled the Bannu brigade with heavy casualties on both sides. Widespread lawlessness erupted as tribesmen blocked roads, overran outposts and ambushed convoys. In 1936, the British launched an operation against a lone tribal but could neither apprehend him nor kill him. The Fakir of AP laid down 3 conditions for calling off the jihad. First, that Islam Bibi should be handed over to the Muslims. Second, that the British should leave Waziristan. And third, that all arrested tribesmen be released. However, the British did not agree and continued their campaign. In 1938, the Fakir of AP shifted to an isolated place in Gurvek. He continued his struggle against the British till his death in 1960. However, one wonders that, like the great Pashtun nationalist and political leader Ghaffar Khan, who was famous by the name of Frontiers Gandhi, why the great hero of Waziristan, Fakir of AP, is conspicuously absent from most Pakistani history books, or worse, is referred to in the passing. Most Pakistani books declare him as a rebel and against the birth of Pakistan.